everyone, this is FishingWithVance.com. Welcome to another great edition of FishingWithVance.com. You know what? Fish on!
Welcome back to Fishing with Vance. I'm going to try a little night bite action tonight here at my new lake, and it's late afternoon, going on 5 o'clock. I haven't fished this lake for the evening bite yet, so I'm going to give that a shot tonight and see what we can do. Gonna keep trying to throw some movement type baits and see if these fish have started to get into their winter patterns, or fall patterns I should say. And it still might be a shade early for that, but I'm going to toss some crankbaits around and see if I can't get into some bass. So thanks for coming along. Let's get this thing in the water. Uneventful launch and first cast fish, so I will take that every time. He hit the Senko. Little guy, but I'll take it. Again, I never know if first cast fish is a good thing or a bad thing. Sometimes it ends up being a terrible thing, but we'll see. Let's keep going. I changed my strategy up here today. I usually fish this at the end, but today I thought I'd start here, so. And I was rewarded with a bass. I'm gonna switch to this fluke. It's the smoking shad fluke. It's a little more no exposed hook, so I'm hoping I don't hang it up in here. And I have had some success with this fluke over in this cove, so I'm going to switch to that. Let's see if I tossing this fluke up shallow will net me a bass. I like to fish this fluke like a jerk bait, so I'll kind of pop it and let it, looks like a dying bait fish. Fishing with Vance. Got one on this fluke. Yeah, I have it. Moving out away from the bank. It's a beauty. A nice bass. Real nice. Real nice bass. Oh, it's a beautiful fish. Yeah, we're just popping that off out of the shallow water there, and there he hit it. Oh, that's a nice fish. Hit the smoking shad. Beautiful bass. Thank you, buddy. Well, that was a good one. Yeah, hit the smoking shad, popping along. I just thrown it in there, popped it out a few times and let it hit, and he picked it up and he was running back for deep water with it. So that was a nice, real nice bass. Try the old trick, suntan lotion. Let's see if that helps. There we go. Oh, I thought I had one. Must have been a little guy. Something was running with it. Must have been a little dude. I got a little heavier hook on here to give this a little more of a diving action. It's a 3/0. This is Super Shank Gamakatsu, so it's a little thicker gauge, and that gives it a little bit more girth and weight. Not committing to it. Go. This guy feels better than what he actually is. Yeah, he's a nice fish, but he's not a horse. He fought like it. I think I had him hung in a tree over there. He's a chunky little guy. Oh, nice fish though. Pretty. Very pretty. Fishing with a medium light rod, so they all feel good. He was pinned nice though. He wasn't going anywhere. He's chubby though. Nice chunky, pretty fish. Very healthy. See you, buddy. I'll tell you, the smoking shad bait. Looking good. Doing a good job. That's 3. That's 3. I like catching them on this bait. Another guy that he was cruising out here in the middle. He's definitely quarter pounder with cheese. Nice little bass. Again, hit the fluke. See you, buddy. Huh. Guys, I was fishing slowed way down, so I thought I'd have some fun, and threw the Fat Baby Finesse on my ultralight just to catch some bass. Hadn't caught any, and the sun's going down, so it's fun. He's a little guy, but on the ultralight, it's a good time. See how many of these little guys we can get. Fat Baby Finesse always catches fish. Still pretty sunny, and probably maybe another hour. I can fish. Look at this guy running with us. Look at him. Just on cue. Oh yeah. Just on cue. He's running with us. This is a pretty decent bass too. Ah yeah. He wanted to be on Fishing with Vance. Yes sir. Yeah, he felt big because he was on the ultralight, but man, that's fun stuff. That is always fun stuff. See you, buddy. He was running all around, having a good time. I think I'm gonna blast to that shaded bank there. go. I'll troll this guy. Sun, looking right at it. Alright. There we go. Getting serious now. Getting all these guys out of the way. Bump as the motorcycles go by. I got him too. Yes, sir. Yeah, little guy. There he was as the motorcycles go by. These guys love this bait in here. Love it. Won't be denied. Hey, little dude. He's bass number 8. Definitely cost me some time there. The battery went dead in my GoPro, so I had to make a quick change. It's cost me a couple minutes, but about the time I don't make that change, I'll catch a nice fish. So I can switch it up pretty fast, but definitely running out of daylight. Fun trip though, as spy plane above goes by. But appreciate you guys watching. Ended up with eight fish here tonight. A night bite. Spy plane above making nice noise for us. But 8 bass here, and I don't know, it's probably here for fish for about 3 hours. I'll take it. So I appreciate you guys watching, commenting. All you guys that comment all the time, I really appreciate that. It's fun to hear from you. So let me know how things are going in your neck of the woods. How's the fishing been where you're at as we head into the fall? It's about mid-September, and I think it's September 15th. So let me know how you're doing. How's the fishing been your way? Obviously, as we head down the stretch here, fall and heading into winter for me here in Pennsylvania, I probably have a good month left. Probably a good 4 weeks of pretty good fishing. After that, it gets at the end of October, it gets pretty tough. It gets real tough. But I probably have a good 4 weeks of good fishing left. There was a fish. I think he's running around with it. Yeah, a little guy. He's gonna count though. He was running around with it like he was so small. I think he hooked himself. Oh man, look at that little bass. That's a little guy. Healthy. Get back in there. Better watch yourself. You can end up Papa Pump's gonna take a bite out of you. Alright, well anyway, that's bass number 9. He counts. 1 fish for 10. But anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And I'll see you next time on fishingwithvance.com. Thanks for watching. Brown out. Fishing with Vance on my way back to the dock. Shot at number 10, and there he is. Number 10. I got him hooked crazy. Alright, partner, get you out. Oh, I got you in the eye. Alright. I got you. Alright. There he is, number 10, as it got dark. Good stuff. Got him on the shad wrap. I'm sorry, I got him on the smoking shad. He was right up shallow. Still 75 degrees. Throw one more up in there. It's tough to quit fishing on a caught fish, but it's getting dark. I need to work my way back. Like I said, there's no light back there, so I better call it. That's my last cast. Yep. And that's what happens. Yep. That's what happens when you put it where you want. That's what happens. All right. Now I'm just getting greedy. Number 11.